Welcome to our latest video where we'll be showcasing the 7 coolest cheap gadgets worth buying. From innovative tech to handy tools, we've curated a list of must-have items that won't break the bank. Get ready to be amazed by the affordability and functionality of these gadgets. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some cool new gadgets to add to your collection, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of budget-friendly yet incredibly cool gadgets that are sure to impress. Let's explore together and discover some hidden gems. Gadget 1. Mini drone with camera. Get ready to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights with the mini drone with camera. This compact yet powerful drone boasts impressive flying abilities and a high-quality camera that captures stunning aerial shots and videos. With easy-to-use controls and various flight modes, you can pilot this drone with precision and confidence, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone enthusiast. Experience the thrill of capturing breathtaking views from above and unleashing your creativity with this fun and entertaining gadget. Elevate your photography game and explore the world from a whole new perspective with the mini drone with camera. Gadget 2. USB rechargeable hand warmer. Stay cozy and comfortable in chilly weather with the USB rechargeable hand warmer, a practical and essential gadget for cold conditions. This hand warmer provides instant warmth at your fingertips, keeping your hands toasty and comfortable wherever you go. With its portable and rechargeable design, you can easily carry this hand warmer in your pocket or bag and enjoy hours of soothing heat on the go. Say goodbye to cold hands and hello to warmth and comfort with this handy gadget that ensures you stay cozy and snug no matter the weather. Experience the value of staying warm and toasty with the USB rechargeable hand warmer. Gadget 3. Electric wine opener. Say goodbye to struggling with traditional corkscrews and hello to effortless wine opening with the electric wine opener. This gadget makes uncorking wine bottles a breeze with its simple and efficient operation. Just place the opener on the bottle, press a button, and watch as the cork is smoothly extracted in seconds. With a sleek design, durable construction, and long-lasting battery life, this electric wine opener is a must-have for wine enthusiasts and entertainers alike. Enjoy the convenience and ease of opening wine bottles with this gadget that adds a touch of sophistication to your wine-drinking experience. Gadget 4. Digital luggage scale. Make traveling a breeze with the digital luggage scale, a practical gadget that saves you from the stress of excess baggage fees and last-minute repacking. Simply attach the scale to your luggage, lift, and instantly get an accurate reading of the weight. Stay within airline limits. Compact, easy to use, and portable, this digital scale is a must-have for any traveler looking to pack efficiently and avoid unnecessary fees. Say goodbye to the anxiety of overweight luggage and hello to stress-free travel packing with this handy gadget that ensures you start your journey on the right foot. Gadget 5. Mini handheld vacuum cleaner. Keep your space spotless with the mini handheld vacuum cleaner, a compact and powerful gadget designed for quick cleanups and small spaces. This handheld vacuum is perfect for tackling crumbs, dust, and debris with ease, making it a convenient solution for maintaining cleanliness on the go. With strong suction power, long-lasting battery life, and handy accessories included, this mini vacuum ensures efficient and thorough cleaning in any situation. Embrace the value of a tidy environment and enjoy the convenience of effortless cleaning with this must-have gadget that simplifies your cleaning routine and keeps your space looking its best. Gadget 6. Multi-port USB charging station. A multi-port USB charging station is a game-changer for tech-savvy users, offering both organizational and charging benefits that streamline your charging routine. With multiple ports available, you can efficiently charge multiple devices simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple chargers and outlets. This charging station is compatible with a wide range of devices and supports varying charging speeds, ensuring that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. Safety features such as surge protection provide peace of mind, protecting your devices from power surges and potential damage. Say goodbye to tangled cords and cluttered charging spaces, and hello to a neatly organized and efficient charging solution with a multi-port USB charging station that caters to all your charging needs. Gadget 7. Mini Bluetooth keyboard. Unlock the power of wireless typing with the mini Bluetooth keyboard, a versatile gadget that enhances your typing experience on the go. This compact keyboard connects seamlessly to a variety of devices, allowing you to type effortlessly without the constraints of wires. Enjoy a comfortable typing experience with responsive keys, long battery life, and a portable design that fits easily into your bag or pocket. Whether you're typing emails on your tablet, composing documents on your smartphone, or controlling your smart TV, this mini keyboard offers convenience and efficiency for typing on the go. Elevate your productivity and typing experience with the mini Bluetooth keyboard. In this video, we've explored the 7 coolest cheap gadgets that are worth buying, each offering unique features and benefits for everyday use. From smart LED light strips to a mini Bluetooth keyboard, these gadgets provide convenience, efficiency, and entertainment at an affordable price point. Whether you're looking to enhance your tech setup, streamline your daily tasks, or simply have fun with innovative gadgets, there's something for everyone in this curated list. We encourage you to explore more gadget reviews, stay updated on the latest tech trends, and subscribe for future content to discover even more exciting gadgets to elevate your lifestyle. Thank you for watching.